So I got a question from a viewer, Tony, in reference to the eye protection that I intended to use with the f2 Ultra UV. And up until this question, I had not given it much thought. I probably would have just used this old pair that came with one of my first lasers. But as I researched, I realized there's no markings on these to show what wavelengths you're protected against. And the UV requires that you have a rating of OD 7 plus or greater. So I went out to Amazon and I found these, and I'm not an Amazon affiliate. I'm not trying to sell you these. I will put a link down in the description and you can check it out if you like. The main thing is that you do your research for eye protection for whatever laser you have. Now, first off, these are way sexier than these. So I just want to get that in there. But they do have the markings on the front. I don't know if it shows up good or not, but the markings are there. The side is completely covered. And if you're stuck wearing some bulky eyeglasses like I am, these will fit over them. And even though in the listing you may not see a case, that it comes with a case, in my situation they did. I got a case with them. Well, while I was researching, I wanted to make sure I got something that covered every range for every laser I have. So I use the xTool D1 Pro 40 watt. I've got the fiber and the diode that comes with the F1 Ultra. So just make sure you have what you need. Protect your eyes. I know as I get older, my eyes are getting worse on their own. I don't need a bunch of scattered light from the laser jumping in there and speeding things up. So, Tony, I appreciate the question. It caused me to do the research that I needed to do, and I hope this video will help somebody else out and help save your eyes. So do your research, check back often for new videos, and we'll see you folks next time. Thank you.